When you think of manufacturing, you might picture dirty places with big machines, or factory floors with long assembly lines, or warehouses stacked high with product. That's only one part of it all. There's a whole lot more to the world of manufacturing, where people with all kinds of degrees do all kinds of work. Thousands of people who graduated from Penn State Behrend over the years have gone on to work in manufacturing. They have degrees from all four of our schools: business, engineering, humanities and social sciences, and science. In our accredited Black School of Business, students right now are learning about business principles, concepts, and strategies that some of them will take into manufacturing companies. When they do, they may be handling accounts, managing computer systems, overseeing big projects, or creating marketing plans for products. Our engineering school is among the top undergraduate engineering programs in the country, and our students are gaining knowledge and skills in a wide range of engineering fields: computer, electrical, industrial, mechanical, plastics, and software, just to name a few. As engineering graduates, many of them will go on to work in companies large and small that make products we use every day. You might not realize it, but people who study English, psychology, and history also find their way into manufacturing careers. Students in our School of Humanities and Social Sciences develop the skills to work as technical writers, webmasters, training specialists, government relation managers, industrial organization specialists, and more. Manufacturing actually has its roots in science. Students in our School of Science majoring in biology, chemistry, environmental sciences, and math get the education they need to graduate and go on to work in the production of food and beverages, pharmaceuticals, home goods, and other products. In this video, I've told you about only a few of the careers you'll find in manufacturing. So where do you start to explore careers that might take you into this world? Think about what interests you and what you like to learn. Maybe it's about how things work or how people work. You might like the idea of developing solutions to problems or making new discoveries or applying technology to the world around you. Read about different careers online. On Penn State Behrend's website at behrend.psu.edu, you'll find descriptions of each of our majors and the kinds of careers you might like to have with that degree. Talk to the adults in your life about the work that they do, what they like and don't like about their jobs. Take part in outreach programs offered by Behrend. We have programs for students from preschool all the way to middle and high school. Most of all, be open to the possibilities. If you are, you just might find that there's a place for you in the world of manufacturing.